Hey there! Welcome to Claude Mastery Beginner Course. I'm Shayba. Me and my crew will guide you through this course. Let's jump in. Before you write a single prompt, you need a clear answer to one question. What is this thing you're talking to? Most people start using Claude before they've answered it, and they bounce off because their mental model is wrong. This lesson fixes that in 4 minutes. Claude is a large language model, an AI that's read an enormous amount of human-written text and learned to predict and produce text that makes sense in context. It was built by a company called Anthropic. You talk to it the way you talk to a thoughtful colleague, in plain language with context. But that description undersells it. Claude can read your documents, write code, build interactive tools, analyze spreadsheets, search the web, and connect to the apps you already use. It's less chatbot and more general-purpose thinking partner you can also delegate work to. 3 things Claude is not. Because confusing it for these is where beginners get burned. Not a search engine. It doesn't have a live index of the internet unless you turn on web search. Asking what happened in the news today without web search gets you nothing useful. Not a database. It doesn't remember your previous chats by default. Each conversation starts fresh. Not infallible. It can be confidently wrong. You'll learn how to reduce this dramatically in later lessons, but the default assumption is verify anything that matters. That's it. That mental model carries you through the entire course. Picture a smart colleague with 2 missing pieces. By default, unless you set this up, no memory, no internet. The most useful way to think about Claude. A smart colleague who's read everything but has no memory and no internet access by default. You give them context, you give them a task, and they do their best work, but they need you to bring the situation to them. Next lesson, what Claude can actually do well and where it falls down. Before you move on, in one sentence, what is Claude? What are the 3 things Claude is not? What's the right mental model going into this course? Great, see you in the next lesson.